Hello, everyone. I'm Patricia Kaufman, the co-founder and communications director of the CLL Society. I'm delighted to welcome you to the big event, the CLL Society's first ever global virtual patient education forum. Historically, the CLL Society, which is dedicated to delivering the best, credible, up-to-date CLL information to CLL patients and their caregivers, has presented 12 live patient education forums across the country annually. We've enjoyed the opportunity to bring CLL patients and their caregivers together for community-based learning, featuring the expertise of your local CLL experts and their supporting teams. This year, the CLL Society is profoundly grateful to its funders who've allowed us to rescope our patient education process in response to social distancing requirements and to bring you this program virtually. We have a full agenda ahead of us today, covering critical CLL topics that you should be aware of, regardless of where you or a loved one may be in the CLL journey. We will be bringing you the latest thinking on vaccines, early management, frontline, second line, and later therapy options, clinical trials, MRD, measuring response to treatment, Richter syndrome, CAR-T, and of course, COVID-19. We will hear from patients about how to advocate for the best possible care for CLL and to help you learn the value of joining support groups. We are grateful to our expert CLL physician panelists. These doctors are deeply invested in solving the challenges of CLL. We'd like to thank AbbVie, AstraZeneca, Bristol Myers Squibb, Foundation Medicine, Genentech, Janssen Pharmaceuticals, and Pharmacyclics for making possible our first ever virtual patient education forum through their grant support. On the left-hand side of your screen, please review our resource box. You will find that it contains a PDF of today's agenda. The resource box also contains information about CLL Society programs, such as our Expert Access Program, where you can receive a free second opinion consult from a CLL expert. And you can learn details about our Test Before Treat campaign. Don't get the wrong treatment. And we can guide you as to how to join local support groups. Additionally, you can find out what normal lab values are. You can learn to track your own lab results. We include COVID-19 updates and CLL Society's official statement concerning CLL patients who are working and traveling during the pandemic. We are bringing you this program as well as all of our other resources at absolutely no cost to patients and caregivers. We know that CLL treatments are getting better. We know that CLL patients are living longer. We want to help you front load your knowledge so that you don't get the wrong treatment. And we want to help you to put together the best possible team long before you need it. The CLL Society is invested in your long life. Please invest in the long life of the CLL Society by supporting our work. Every donation is helpful. At this time, I would like to introduce today's moderator, the CLL Society's co-founder and executive vice president and chief medical officer, Dr. Brian Kaufman. Thank you for joining us.